Welcome to the tutorial of MongoDB installation. So, my name is Prabhat Gautam. I am pursuing BTech from NIT Kurukshetra. So, in this video, we will learn how to install MongoDB and its tools. So, to install MongoDB, search MongoDB on Google and go to the official website of the MongoDB. From the software section, you can download the MongoDB. So click on the software and you choose the community server. It will automatically detect your system. So mine is Windows, so it is choosing the Windows. So you have to download the MSI. When you click on the download, the MSI for the MongoDB will start to download. I have already downloaded, so I will use that only for this video. So I have downloaded it here, so I will just open it. It will open the dialog. So you have to click on the next, then accept the agreement. Click on the next. You have to choose the complete option. Leave as it is for the property and click on the next, again next, and install. It will take few minutes to install the MongoDB on your system. After finish installing, you will get the message. So click on the finish. So now MongoDB is installed on your system. So what you have to do now is to find the folder of installation and add it into your environmental variables. So let's first find out where it is. So go to your local disk C and search in program files. Here you will get a folder of MongoDB. Open it, it's in the server and then in 4.4 and then in the bin folder. So here your Mongo is present. So what you have to do is copy the path of this bin and then add it to the environment variables. So you have to add it in the path. So go to path, create a new path and paste the copied path. So now you are done with adding the path. So now we have to test whether our MongoDB is running or not. So to do that, go to that bin folder and click on the MongoEXE application present in the bin folder. So it will open cell like this. To test whether it is working or not, simply tap DB, which will show which DB you are. So it is in the by default database which it is. So now you have a working MongoDB. So what we need is also is the data tools for the MongoDB. Like we have to import some documents, so we need some tools like Mongo import, Mongo export. So we have to download the MongoDB data tools. For that, search MongoDB data tools. So go to the website of the official MongoDB. There you will again detect your system. You can download the zip folder So I already downloaded, so I will use that. So this is the folder after extracting the zip of the downloaded folder. So I have to open it, go to inside the bin, and so you can see there are many applications to use. So we have to provide this path for the environment where copy the path again, and again go to the system variables, add it to the path, create new path and paste. So now you have both MongoDB and MongoDB data tools. So this complete about this video of the tutorial of installation. Thank you.